Okay, welcome back. And so today we're going to be talking just a short video on the zeros of polynomial functions. So there's 2 points, 2 things that come from the conjugate zeros theorem for complex zeros. And so they're these. A polynomial function with real coefficients of odd degree. Okay, if the degree of the polynomial is odd when n is greater than or equal to 1, so the degree, odd degree greater than or equal to 1, must have at least one real zero. And why is that? Because from the conjugate zeros theorem, they always, complex zeros always come in conjugate pairs. And so that means there's always going to be an even number of those. So if the degree is odd, that would mean that there has to be at least one real root, one real zero, okay? Because then everything else would match up, okay? With if everything else was complex, okay? Now, what if the polynomial of real coefficients, polynomial function with real coefficients of even degree? Well, if it's even degree, then there may not be any real zeros. Okay, so that's the conclusion. Okay, so both of these come from what we've talked about so far about conjugate pairs and complex zeros. Okay, so again, if the polynomial function with real coefficients has an odd degree, then there has to be at least one real zero. There may be more, but there has to be at least one. Okay? If the polynomial function with real coefficients is even degree, then there might not be any real zeros. And that's it. Something to keep in mind.